Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to acquire the Beignet vehicle in Jailbreak. This exclusive car is a highly coveted item, known for its sleek design and impressive performance. It was once a grand prize for reaching the maximum level in a past season, making it a symbol of dedication. However, since that event concluded, the Beignet cannot be obtained through standard gameplay anymore. The only current way to add the Beignet to your collection is by trading with other players. You'll need to head over to Trading Island, the designated hub for player-to-player exchanges. Be ready to offer highly desirable items or a significant sum of in-game currency, as this vehicle commands a very high value due to its rarity and prestige. Understanding the Beignet's market value is crucial for a successful trade. This vehicle is among the most expensive items in the Jailbreak trading network, often valued between 36 million and 39 million cash. With only around 2,300 copies in circulation, its extreme rarity drives its high demand and price among collectors and enthusiasts. To increase your chances of acquiring the Beignet, always research current market values for both your trade offers and the Beignet itself. Patience is key in trading. Don't rush into unfavorable deals. Be prepared to negotiate and ensure your offer is compelling, perhaps including multiple rare items or a substantial cash equivalent to secure this highly sought-after vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.